Um, we played against a defeated lineup. This kind of blowout I expected. It's a good start for us, and a good message to the other teams and the league. We're gonna try to win another championship without Sue.
Do you think Coach have adjusted well without Sudan, or do you think you're still finding your
Yeah, we've
form?
been playing for quite a long time without Sue. Even in the States when we played tune-up games, so we saw them battle. So,
Ano yung mas gusto mo po? Yung matest mo kagad yung team mo sa isang kompletong team o yung against perpetual muna na...
siguro mas maganda yung gradually. And by the time we get to play big teams like Abuwa, Letran, Jerry, Pastor, I think we'll be okay. And the challenge, my big game, the challenge to my boys was overpower the rebounds. That's the only time we get going once we control the ball. Yeah, kailangan pagtulungan natin yung nawala sa atin. At the minimum, we've lost like 10 points, 10 rebounds a game. Because at the minimum, sabi ko, kailangan pagtulungan natin lahat para makuha natin.
Coach, how would you grade your big men in the absence of Sudan?
Okay, ayos naman kami. Kaya I'm comparing my big men to the other bigs of the other teams. I think we're decent. I think I have good big men. Marcelo, who is on his last year, will come out. Kyle Pascual, give them a hard time. Jake Pascual, should be very consistent. Same with DJ Setoran. And ang importante sa akin, matulungan. Those rebounds are not meant only for the 4 and 5 guys. Kailangan pagtulungan ng mga 3, 2s and 3s so you can accumulate like 45, 50 rebounds a game. Would be okay, I think.
Coach, where's the special team pa sir?
Hanggang gigigil kanina. I told him to you too tight, pati yung pag-dribble niya. Kailangan iniintindi mo yung mga nasa paligid. You gotta push the ball all the time. Hindi tayo pwede mag-dribble tayo ng court to court. It's not our way, especially on transition. So, little by little, there's a lot more to learn. But very promising kid. Ako sa bata, maganda ang basketball IQ.
Yung mga point guards mo, ano po masabi yung
Well, nadadala naman kami. Ayos naman ang point guards. I will focus solely on myself, para bigay mo sa Incano. We just have to deliver. At kailangan kontrolado nila yung laro. Every single day.
Coach, in hindsight, iniisip niyo ba yung historic sweep last year? Para
Wala na. Tapos na yun eh.
so, hindi walang pressure
Masarap na lang panoorin sa tape yun.
pero walang pressure.
Pero, it's another season. And we cannot sit on our laurels. Kailangan, we have to achieve more. It's another championship this year. We'll see what happens next year. But we want to deal with what we have right now. So, abawin muna namin sa championship.